This is a Donner white tape delay pedal. It's stereo. Right now I have it plugged into this Vox amp and this PV amp over here. Right now, first of all, I just have it in the Vox, so you can hear what it sounds like in mono. That's without the effect. It's got two different channels with independent controls. You can control the level, the time, and the feedback for each channel separately. This one I have it set. This is the top one is going to the Vox amp. You can make it like a slap back. You can make it last longer. That's cool. The real fun with this pedal I found starts when you do stereo mode. And I have this set so that the right channel is going at a faster speed than the left one, and about the same amount of feedback, the same level. I hope my phone will pick this up. It makes it so that it like bounces. That's pretty cool. It also has a stereo input, so if you wanted to plug like a stereo keyboard or something like that into it, which I am probably going to try later, you can do it that way. But this thing's really cool. It sounds good with just mono, you know, one guitar into one amp, but the really fun stuff is running it stereo. I like this pedal a lot. I got it for 50 bucks on Amazon, so that's a really good price. I mean, this thing's like solidly built. It feels sturdy. It's got good quality knobs. The jacks feel nice. It's got nice graphic on it. The light is bright, but not too bright. The switch feels solid. There's not like a loud pop turning it on and off. I like this pedal. This is cool.